Got them you? Very good. Okay, today I show you secret tipping for how to eat corn on cob. I can boil corn on cob for a few minutes. You can steam your corn. You can boil and take corn on cob and put fork in one end and cutting knife corn close to cob. I don't know what the hell a cob is. Anyway, cutting corn off cob, and there's no wasting corn, and you will not burning top of your roof of mouth. It's big trouble for when you are get old. You kept not old, but you kept burn top of mouth. Okay, piece number 2. Same. I will show close up when finished. Add butter and salting, and if you want, add vodka. Okay, no mess, no fuss. Throw cob garbage. Finish. And now you keep putting a little bit butter. 1, 2, 3. Okay, show close up. Focus for YouTube. Mixing butter, melting for corn, and can putting salt and eat. Is fast tip for my YouTube follow. Not forget to follow me and click like and click the bell, ring the bell for notification for more YouTube video. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Not forget, ring the bell.